Hi everybody, welcome back. We are going to make a beautiful card using staple pins. Make them a row. After that we are going to put them one after another as we are doing here, and we are going to make a cube out of it. Pay attention, we are going to create a cube and it is ready. After that we are going to create another shape. So put the staples like this as we are doing here. Look at the structure we are creating. Then we are going to make the same structure again with the second staples like this. Put them aside, then take two sticks and we are going to attach the staples on them. After that take a small pin and we are going to cut it again like this and make multiple such pieces. After that we are going to join all of them one after another like this. We are going to create the wheels, so put them in such a way that it will look like a wheel, right? Look like this, and it is looking like a wheel. Wow, so cute and little wheel. After that we are going to put the stick in between it, and look, it is fixed now. It will not move at all. Fix it completely using your fingers like this. Press it gently and look, it is ready. And how cute this is looking, right? After that put the wood in that another structure to make it functional. We are going to make another wheel now. Repeat the same process as we are doing here and put the bamboo stick on the circle we have done earlier. Look like this. Press it gently and give it shape, and look, it is done. It is almost done. After that we are going to take another structure and make the other wheels. Then take the cube part and we are going to attach all the structure together like we are doing here. We have attached one end wheels, and after that we are going to attach the other set of wheels, and look, it is moving. After that, look, you can disassemble them and assemble again. So pay attention, and it is very efficiently you can do it. After that we are going to take the cube, rotate it, and we are going to look how it is opening. Look like this. You can remove one pin. After that you can also take one pin out, again attach it like this. Look how we are giving it shape using your fingers. You're also going to remove the other end and remove one more pin from that side and put it back like this, and again give it shape. Look, it is done now. And if you feel that you need more correction, you can also remove more pins, then attach the same as we have done earlier. How cute this is looking. It is complete. Now you can play with it. Thank you so much for watching this video.